Hey guys, I'm Angel. I'm from ImageKit. So just a raise of hands, who uses MCPs in their daily development? Fantastic. I'm just going to encourage more of you to do so before you actually finish development. So here I have a website that I made using Cursor, and as I put all my images in there, and I go ahead and I refresh. I notice, dang, these images take a long time to load. And so one of the things I want to show you guys is how to use ImageKit's new MCP to actually fix your images and video performance within your React websites. And so one of the places you can go to here is actually our, you can actually do it locally or through our API. And also use this thing called Chrome DevTools that they also developed a new MCP recently that we can go ahead and try out. And so the first prompt I'm going to be using is to use the Chrome DevTools MCP to record a performance trace of my website and tell me the 3 biggest performance issues of that website. And then we're going to identify the issues and tell me which specific URL images are causing the issues. And then we're going to generate helpers to fix the problem. And then we're going to update our performance. And then we're going to verify to make sure everything was done correctly. I'm going to just run through one of these just due to the time. And we'll just take a quick look at what the what the website looks like right now. You can see that the images are loading very slowly. And then when we run all our fixes, everything will be much more smooth as we load. And so when we're doing this manually, we'd have to go over to a docs. We have to check out, okay, like I need to think about how to actually do lazy loading, how to resize my images, what kind of quality do I want to have, what's the format I want to have it in. There's a lot of things going into making sure your images and videos are actually optimized the best way possible. Normally you go into ImageKit's docs and figure out how to do it, but with the power MCPs and your favorite Cursor or IDE, you don't have to do that anymore. So I'm going to run one prompt just to show you guys how we've done. I got it started a little bit earlier, so we're just going to run the tool just so you can see what's happening right now. So for context, it's running the first prompt and figuring out what actually is wrong with the broken React e-commerce site. Let me just run through. It opens up the site on its own. It's going to go through and identify all the problems. And so what we're going to do is hop over to the presentation. And I'm going to highlight a few things. So typically, as I mentioned, performance is an afterthought. We build our website and we have our images on the page and it's working perfectly, or so we thought. And then we finally refresh our page and now we're like, oh, what's going on? So we want to fix performance, but we don't want to do it manually anymore. We want to use our AI to do it for us so we don't have to. And so exactly what are these MCP2s doing? So we have to answer 2 questions. What's broken? How do I fix it? The Chrome DevTools has the Chrome DevTools MCP has a few tools we're going to use. It's going to navigate the page. We're going to do a trace. We're going to do a performance analyze, and we're going to take a snapshot as well as list the network requests to make sure that we understand exactly what's happening through our website. And then we're going to use ImageKit to actually search the docs using the agents, and we'll execute all the changes. ImageKit uses one URL to fix all the optimization issues. So our first URL is going to be just a basic URL that has all the just default image. And then with our URL, we're going to change it so that we change the width to actually 1,200 pixels. We have the quality at 80%, and our focus is going to be auto. And that will change our image to go from 3.28 megabytes to only 47.5 kilobytes. And overall, that'll bring our website down from 68 megabytes all the way to 1.84 megabytes. So my overall urgence to you guys is to not wait till after post-development. Use MCPs during your development, and please check out ImageKit for all your image and video performance needs. Thank you so much.